is up?
What a special moment today. Finally, after so many months, we get to show you guys
the reveal, baby.
Our van, our baby.
Let's go.
Michael has been putting so much hard work into it, you guys, and it's finally ready. So
wow, we're gonna start off with your beautiful curtains that you got, or what?
yes. So I was in charge of getting the curtains. That was my job. You know, from the beginning, I said we were not gonna keep those curtains, and here they are. Look at how cute these are. Are they not a vibe?
Gives me senora vibes for sure.
They are cottage cute.
Oh,
first
cottage
of all,
cute. It's
yes,
called cottage cute.
Cottage cute. Maybe a little bit of like senora nostalgia, grandma, like, but it's like cute grandma. It's not like grandma. It's like vibey, cute grandma. You know what I mean?
Okay.
So we also got a disco ball because this isn't a regular van. This is a cool van, okay? So we have a disco ball.
It is a disco van.
It is a disco van. It's like cute, groovy, like hippie disco. It's a vibe. But yeah, isn't it so cute? You guys are not ready for like night mode in the van, but that's a little bit later. So let me show you guys around. So this is our working station or your eating station if you want it to be. This is where we're gonna be doing work. We're gonna pull up on the side of a beach, and then we're gonna pull out our computers and start to work, or we can do mukbangs here. The lighting is gonna be phenomenal because it's like natural outdoor lighting. We love it. And this is actually really cool because it actually swivels and you can move it out of the way, and you can actually also take it off, which is really neat. You can adjust
it also up and down.
So you can put it up, you can put it down.
Yeah, so this is called the Lagoon swivel table. We'll go ahead and link that as well.
So it's pretty cool because there's enough space and the table is big enough for a few of us. And then when you take this baby off, then you pop it into here, blop, blop. And then that becomes the base for our bed, which is really neat. And then you put these two in the middle.
That one and that one.
You can kind of
see. Put in the middle and it becomes our platform bed.
All right, so these pads here are actually custom made, and Michael was one who chose the colors. Kudos to you, because I wanted to do like lighter gray, but I think this was probably the best choice of color.
Yeah, I like it because it's just, you know, I had to save some a little bit darker color because of the dirtiness that's gonna happen here in this van. So we compromise, and that's what you do when you go on projects with your partners. You compromise and you figure it out together.
Lots of compromising. So then we have our sink over here, which is obviously where we get like our water, where we brush our teeth, where we do all of that jazz. So we also have this cute little window here where, if you're wondering, I also picked out these curtains. I just feel like they're cute. They're like cottagey, they're white. I love all of the white in all of the van because it just like really opens it up. It's bright, it's happy. We love the light over here.
Show you a little bit of the detail of our panels. We got lines running down. We have the crown molding on top. And we have LEDs inside in the gaps there, so it all lights up. It looks dope. You're actually wearing white too.
I'm telling you, I really enjoy white. But if you guys have actually seen like our house or like stories of like the nighttime when there's like colors and everything, you guys know that we love like a vibey moment. So those lights kind of give us that all throughout, which is really, it's just like cool. It's vibey. You know, we could pull up to the beach, turn the lights on, have the lights be blue, and then just be listening to the ocean waves. And we've already slept in here, and let me tell you, it's a vibe, okay? You wake up in the ocean, and it's a vibe. It's a vibe. You guys will see some vlogs that we already filmed, but definitely 10/10 recommend. This is where the toilet goes. So you just pop this thing out. You can place it on here, and then it's just like easy access. You just pull it out.
Yeah, and the gauge right there lets you know how full it is.
And you like pull it out, and then you do the deed, whatever, and then you put it back in. So it's really easy. And then you just pop this little thing back in. As you guys know, I had showed you guys before in the last video that there was a shower here. We decided to hold off on installing that just because we actually have an outdoor shower that comes with the tent and you can shower outside, and I didn't want to commit to putting in the shower here before going on a few trips and kind of seeing if it was 100% necessary to have it in here when we already have an outdoor one. So we have decided as of now not to put it in, just because this is where we put a lot of the luggage. We have a lot of extra room, a lot of extra space, and if we had a shower, it would just take up space, so we kind of just wanted to feel it out and see how it was. So as of now, we're not going to put it in. We have an outdoor shower, like I said. We have an outdoor tent. So that's kind of the vibe with that. So this is my favorite part about the van. I've always had conversations with Michael about how I just always thought it would be so cool to have like a bed on the beach, or a bed in the forest, or a bed on a lake where you could just relax, chill, meditate, and be comfortable without having like, you know, bugs on you or whatever. And so that was pretty much the whole inspiration of this van, is when I saw that my friend had it, and like you're able to just open up, look at the beach, open up, be in the forest, open up, be in the lake, be in the views, but also be comfortable where you can meditate, chill, lay, vibe, take in the fresh air. That was the inspiration. So this is my favorite part because we've already taken it out to the beach. We wake up, look out the window, and we see the beauty of nature, the beauty of earth, and it's super comfortable. And it also has extra space down here, so when we have the bed together and on, we actually have extra space on the bed and under here. And we also have the option of driving around with it like this. So it's really cool.
It's awesome, man. It's amazing. And I'm not sure if we mentioned that those two are storage units there.
The top is actually a deck. We went to San Francisco and we got to go up there while we were like at the Bay Bridge. So it's honestly a vibe. It's really cool. The deck is also one of my favorite parts because you know that your girl's gonna be laying there, looking at the stars, taking in the sun, like right on top. So the whole van is honestly just like a vibe and a dream come true, honestly. And I can't wait to bring you guys along on the journey. We already have mukbangs. We already have travel vlogs lined up for you guys. So make sure you guys subscribe. We're so excited, and we hope that you guys are so excited for us because it's a really, really fun journey.